Hi, it's Jodi. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tomato sauce my way. Okay, so let's make the sauce. We'll start with a little bit of olive oil, say 1/4 cup in our pot. To this we'll add half a small onion, fine dice, and get that sizzling. Give it a stir. To this we'll add 8 cloves of garlic, pureed, or in a small fine dice, however you like to do it. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of oregano. Just let that sizzle away, and we'll add 8 fresh basil leaves and 1 tablespoon of salt. And we'll just give that a stir around, let everything soften up, cook the garlic a little bit with the onions. We'll just let this cook for a minute or so. Now that our onions and garlic have softened up, we're going to add 1 large tin of San Marzano tomatoes. Whole tomatoes that are peeled already. It's a 100-ounce tin or 4 small 28-ounce tins of tomatoes. We'll just dump this whole thing in the pot like so. Give it a stir. And to this, we're going to add another half can of water. And now to the tomatoes, we're going to add a half a tin more of water. There we go. If you don't add the water, your sauce is going to be very thick, which would be okay if that's what you like, but I prefer to have a little bit thinner sauce. So we'll let this cook away now. Okay, now our tomatoes are coming to a boil. So we'll turn down to a low simmer. We'll get a potato masher and we'll start mashing the whole tomatoes in our pot. Just like so. There we go. They're all mashed up. Now we'll bring this up to, say, medium heat, and we'll let our tomato sauce simmer for, say, 30 minutes. Okay, so now we're back to the sauce. It's been simmering for 30 minutes, and now it's time to blend it. I use an immersion blender. That's one of these things, or you can use a blender or a food mill. So we want to blend it so it's to whatever consistency you want. I like a nice, fine, smooth sauce. You may like a chunkier sauce. To each his own. So there you have it. The sauce has been all blended, and it's ready to go to dress your next plate of pasta. We'll just give it a little taste here, check for seasoning. Delicious.